A man who broke the curfew and refused police orders to return home has been found guilty and fined $100,000. The man who has been identified as Ashley Young was fined $100,000 or 3 months imprisonment for breaching the curfew orders. In addition, Mr. Young was also fined $15,000 JM for various traffic breaches. He was charged for breaking the curfew orders issued under the Disaster Risk Management Act. The charges were laid against Young following an incident about 10:10 p.m. on Thursday, April 9, 2020, when he was observed driving along the Richmond in Georges Valley, Manchester, in a Honda motor car. Police said Young was stopped and instructed to return home. However, he refused to return home and sped off. He was later intercepted and charged with breaches of the Disaster Risk Management Act. In addition, when checks were made, it was revealed that the documents of the motor vehicle expired in 2013. He was additionally charged with unlicensed motor vehicle, disobeying, no insurance coverage, and fraudulent use of license. Welcome again, people. And this is a part of the story I have to put my input in. Because when he looks at things, it look like say when the first time the police them stop him, they never notice say in license expire and in documents him no correct and in something. So you know say documents him no right and in something and the police say if you go back home. The simplest thing if you do if you head back home, that more than you give them a hard time, Because if me and him and the police stop me, I know say I have no insurance coverage for my car. And then say go back home because they don't check for nothing, And they know me go drive off now. It's like say me I beg them say yo, catch me. You understand? It's like that me I tell them to do. So now they catch you, now they charge you $100,000 now. You can't complain that you work for